How can we create the AWS account? Go to the browser. aws.amazon.com is the URL. Now click on create account. Click on create account. Yeah. Now look at here, everyone. Sign up. Click on sign up. Click on sign up. New AWS account. Now we can give your email ID, root user email address, and also account name. Short name or full name we can give. Account name here. So click on verify email address. Once you click on this, you'll get the verification code to the email, your Gmail ID. Okay. Yeah. Once you verify that, so I already shared the document, right? Yeah. So I'll upload into Google Classroom also. This is the document. Okay. Yeah. This is the URL aws.amazon.com. So here you can click on create new AWS account. Once you click on this, new page will be opened. So you need to provide the root user email address here and also account name. Click on verify email address. Once you click on this, yeah, once you click on this, you will get the verification code. That verification code you need to enter into this box, right? Once you enter this verification code, click on verify. Once you click on verify, it will show you successfully verified. Once it is verified, it will ask you to provide your root user password, confirm root user password. 2 times we need to provide the password here, right? Once we provide the password 2 times, after that, look at here. So personal or business, we need to always choose the personal, right? Yeah. Next one, full name, mobile number, right? Country, or region, address, city. After that, look at here. So state, postal code. You need to give the full address here, right? So check the, I have agreed, I have read and agreed, right? You can check this. Click on continue. Once you click on continue, it will ask you to provide the card information, bank information, either credit card or debit card information, right? So we need to provide the credit card or debit card information here, right? So master or Visa card only, Rupee card will not be allowed, right? You need to provide the card number and expiration date, card expiration date, card holder name, CVV. So these are all information we need to provide here, right? Once you provide all the information, so here PAN, it will ask you to provide the PAN information, PAN card. So you can give the PAN information also. That is mandatory currently, right? So nothing will be happening. You can give. So click on verify and continue. Once you click on verify and continue, now look at here. So it will ask you to provide the OTP. You'll get OTP to your mobile from the bank, right? You need to provide the OTP. So it is, yeah, you need to submit this. Once you submit this, yeah, now it will ask you to select text message or voice call. Okay, select text message, select the country, region, mobile number, and enter the security check code. Click on send SMS. Once you click on send SMS, you'll get the verification code. That verification code you need to enter here. Once you enter this, you need to choose the personal use or group or business or individual. So you need to choose the personal and also individual. Okay. Click on continue. Once you click on continue, now look at here. So support, which support you required? What are, yeah, 3 types of supports are available. Basic support, developer support, business support. So basic support is free, completely free. Developer support, business support is not free, right? So once you select the basic support and submit, you get this message, right? So after that, one more step you have, which is you need to select the role and interested in. Any role you can select here, any technology you can select here. Click on submit. Once you submit this, account will be successfully created, right? So you need to wait for 30 minutes to activate completely. After 30 minutes, you can start working on the console, right? Yeah, once the account is activated, this account is completely free and 6 months, right? So they provide 30 GB storage free, and also they provide 750 hours servers free, and Elastic IP is 3 IPs free, and also S3 bucket 5 GB free, right? So like that, they give you free resources, free services that we can use. So if you use the paid services, some charges will be applied, right? So they give you, they shoot the emails, and they need to respond to the emails. Otherwise, account will be suspended, right? So unknowingly, they will not charge anything, Andy. Unknowingly, they will not charge anything, right? They will inform you. Right? Right. So if you utilize more than the free tier eligible services, what will happen? They will not charge anything, Andy. They will not charge single NP from your account. Simply they suspend your account. Right? The account is suspended. We can create one more account. Nothing to worry. Fine? Yeah, fine. So once the account is activated completely, so after that, again go back to the console, and you can give aws.amazon.com is the URL. Click on send it to the console. Yeah, so here select root user email address. Sign in root user email address. Click on this. Sign in using root user email address. Select the root user here. Click on next. Now give the password. Click on sign in. Give the MFA code, multi-factor authentication code. So you can give the 231769. Give the MFA code. So now I gave the MFA code. Click on, yeah, once you give the MFA code, I'm able to log in, right?